kid you not, guys. Out here fixing to do a worthwhile mod on the Raptor. Back over here, hear some noises in the woods. Watch to the end of the video, see what I'm talking about. What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel, or to the channel if it's your first time. I am Mike, this is Zeus, and you are tuned in to Living with 3M Auto Vlogging. What I'm doing today is I have ordered me a set of tag lights. I mean, everything on the truck is LED, high intensity, bright lights, except for the tag lights. They are those yellow, dull, just frustrating lights, and that's fine if you've got all that, you know, all yellow lights. But when you have mostly LED bright lights and then you have those, man, it's not going to work. I'm telling you guys, something out here in these woods moving around. All right, so on the Fords, you're gonna have these lights right here. It's hard to see this one, but you can see this one. They're flush mount, and when you turn the lights on, this happens. Can you even see that? I mean, come on, man. Show you that light up close, guys. Yeah, it's not very bright, and it's that yellow look. That's the thing that kills it the most. So I reached out to a company, KDM. I'll put a link in the description. You guys head on over there, get yours now. I'll show you why I chose them. It's the neatest thing going. It's a bright white high intensity LED, but it's tinted. Yes. So what is that gonna look like? Yes, it's gonna look a lot better than that dingy clear plastic with a yellow light. Okay, so your next question I know is going to be, how do I get this out? Do I start sticking a screwdriver in there and prying it out? No tools are required. You reach up under the bumper, you should be able to get your hand in there. If I can get my big meat hooks in there, you can too. All right, and on the sides of it, you're going to have two little clips, and you're just going to push them in like this. Well, just like that. All right, and you'll see it's on each side. In case y'all are wondering about my personalized license plate, head on over to this video, check it out. In fact, head on over to my channel page and check out all of my videos regarding Zeus and other cars and trucks that I've owned or helped out with. Got some very good videos and worthwhile mods. Okay, you can see I took this one apart just so I could see what I was doing from over there. You want to twist this to access the bulb. That's got just like that. You're going to see this is very similar, except it's got a wire or two wires coming out, positive and negative, with a little blade clip or blade insert. All right, so what we're gonna do is remove the bulb. So you just put your fingers on it and pull that right out. Yeah, pull that right out. Okay, let me pause the video.
One eternity later.
There it comes. Okay, well, if it hadn't have, what I was going to suggest is get a pair of pliers and wrap some black tape around it where you could gently I would suggest even holding it with the ends and try to manipulate it, or some plastic pliers. I'll actually put a link in the description. I've got some on order. I'm ordering me some plastic pliers for this main reason, that if I get glass stuck, because this is not a guarantee. This, if I would break this, then I would be in some serious mess, because you gotta probably take this whole thing apart to get all the glass shards and everything out. So it's not a good idea. Never use metal, but if you're in a pinch, that looks like it might work. Still kind of slick, so I don't even recommend doing that, guys. Thankfully it came out. You can put your shirt on it, or something dry, really dry, you know, maybe even wrap some black tape around the end of the bulb. Yeah, that would have probably been better. So okay, so we removed the bulb. All right, so what do we do next? Okay, this blade is gonna shove right in there where the bulb went. I mean, it's straightforward and super simple. Just like that. You want to get it all the way in, and then you're just gonna shove this wire up in there. Just like this. Well, hold on, I got a small issue. You guys know I never get anything right the first time. There we go. Yes, sir. It only goes in one way, and you turn it to lock it in. Okay? All right, before we push that in, we want to make sure they work. All right, so I'm just going to hit the unlock button. Look at that. Look at the difference in that and that. I mean, yeah, big difference. All right, we're gonna push that in just like this. You hear it pop. There we go. Let's get to the other side now. We're gonna attempt to get this one out. See, it's still pretty tough. I suggest washing your hands and drying your hands, but a pair of plastic pliers would really come in handy about. Now, there it comes. So you just work it back and forth, take your time, and it will come out. All right, so we're gonna get to the second one. And this is a worthwhile mod, I'm telling you guys. It's a small mod, it's nothing major, but it's something you can do. You can see I'm doing it in my driveway. Dang, shut up, crows. Ruining my video. Oh yeah. Dang, birds yapping in the background. All right. You can see that pops right in. All right, we're gonna check it before I put this one even in there. Yep, we are good. You feed the wire in there, and this only goes in one way. So like I did before, sometimes you just turn it around. There it goes, and it clicks right into place that way. You gotta mess with it till you hear it click, because if you don't, see, it pops right back out. So it's kind of temperamental. You can kind of stick your hand back up under here and help push those tabs. All right, I've run into a little issue over here, guys, and this might be something that you will run into as well. Let me try and set the camera to where I'm working. Okay, the little clips that are on the back of here, this side pops in, but this side keeps popping out. It's like it doesn't want to grab the bumper. So I called the company, and they said they can either send another one out, or you can take a small flat file and just run it through there a few times. You just want to shave a little bit of that plastic down because the tolerance is really tight. And it's not going to hurt anything. It's in behind there. Just take your time and be really careful. And you want to push that way. So yeah, just make those clips where the tolerances were a lot tighter. Still having issues with it though. It was really tight. The other side popped in. So I'll try to file just a touch more. We'll see where that takes us. Yeah, that tolerance is really tight right there. There it went. There it went. Perfect. You don't want to push too hard on the light itself, but once you heard that pop, it is in there. All right, guys, got them changed out. Big difference. You can't even tell there's lights there until you do this. I love it. Yes. All right. Also, got my little stool out here, guys. You know how handy they are. I'll put a link in the description also for those where you can sit down to do. It really helps when you're doing projects about waist high, especially cleaning wheels and tires, that sort of thing. But doing projects, those little stools come in handy. Kid y'all not, I'm out here working on, let me show you right here, this. Right behind me, my neighbor's house is behind the tree line, but I heard something growl from right in here, distinct growl. I'm like, man, I hope it's a little poodle. I hope it's a poodle. I don't want no werewolves. I know it's getting another month or two away from Halloween, but I don't want no werewolves. Where's the poodle? He's a good boy. I might have a milk bone. telling y'all, I heard something in those woods. I'm just saying. Yeah, come out here above the boat and look. It's full moon, guys. Yeah, I'm getting in the house.